More than 1,000 years ago, the Vikings were lords of the seas. Vikings were famous as ferocious warriors who were feared by people because of their seaborne raids. Vikings were an important part of a Norse civilization that also had farmers, fishermen, shipbuilders, craftsmen, traders, explorers, settlers, and poets. The Vikings came from a part of the world we now call Scandinavia. To the north, the Scandinavian peninsula is bordered by the Arctic Ocean. To the west is the Norwegian Sea, and to the south is the Baltic and North Seas. These seas are part of the North Atlantic Ocean. The Vikings were completely surrounded by water. The Vikings traveled westward across the Atlantic Ocean to North America and eastward to Russia and beyond. They even traveled as far as Persia, which is called Iran today. They left a deep imprint on many parts of Europe and surrounding islands, and they established settlements in Iceland, Greenland, and Vinland, which is now called by an alternative name, Newfoundland. Some of those places still bear the names they were given by the Vikings more than 1,000 years ago. Viking expansion was made possible by the magnificent longships. Their longships are icons of the Viking Age. The sight of longships struck fear into the hearts of others, but they were highly valued by the Vikings, who celebrated the ships in their poetry, gave them as gifts, and even used them in funeral rituals.